What's going on, dudes and dudettes? So I put on my new tires here, and it's snowing. So I'm gonna have to go back and put back on the old ones, the ones I drilled the holes through, and later on take this thing out and test to see how the water comes out of the drilled holes when running it. Stay tuned. tires with the, no problem with the tires. The water was coming right out of them. The drilled holes worked pretty fine. I can't tell until I bring them inside to see if they've torn any, but I don't think they have. You can see this dusty motor cover? I suggest you get one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Alright. That was fun. Well, I can't go too far. This run wasn't around the neighborhood here. And the reason is because my real truck is in the shop with the exhaust header problem. It's got a busted bolt, so my truck's been in the shop for 3 days now, so I haven't been able to go too far to take videos. So I had a little fun, and we had about 5 inches of snow. None of it stuck to the ground, but it stayed in the yard, so I thought I'd test out the drilled hole theory. And to be honest with you, I don't think there's going to be a problem. I was watching the water fling out of them, and I think it did a good job. Here's the holes I'm going to show you. So here's one hole after that running. I think it's so minute that it's not going to rip open. You know, there's one. There's another one. I mean, look, here's my finger. So tiny. I think, you know, I have only ran one pack through it. You know, I only want one battery charge. About 40 minutes. Just in the snow, basically. And I didn't see the tire ballooning as much either. I mean, it still ballooned, but it didn't look that bad. See, here's the holes. Little holes. And check it out. I know on the other, I think this is the one I used the drill on. Let me find the hole. Well, anyway, one of the tires I used the drill. See the water coming out? This one was upside down, just like that, so the water was coming down here. So it really does work, but we just gotta run a few more packs through it and see if the openings get any bigger. Oh, but like I was saying, my 2mm, I know in the video where I drilled into the one tire, which was fine. It's one of these on here. But for the rest of them, because the drill was grabbing the foam inside and pulling it out a little bit, I just grabbed my 2mm. Let me find one of the holes. Here's one of the holes right here. And I just pushed. I pushed it on the tire until it poked right through. See here? I'm trying to hold the phone at the same time. See, there's the hole. 2mm. Seems to work fine, and I don't think that that's going to tear anymore. But I could be wrong. Like I said, I only ran one pack through it, but I ran it hard, so. And in snow most of the time. Alright, dudes and dudettes, as always, tomorrow I'll have my vehicle, and I'll be able to go to the BMX track or the beach or something. And, get back to some huge jumps. I'm going to get my ramp back going too. Alright, thank you for watching. Peace.